So I have just run out of powdered sugar or confectioner's sugar, and I want to try this out. This is corn flour or cornstarch, of that, and this is powdered this is just granulated sugar. It's just sugar that is coarse. Can you see it, guys? It's just sugar that is a bit coarse, and this is corn flour. So I'm going to blend this together. Let's see how it goes. So I added my sugar. Some sugar and some corn flour. And then cover it. Anyway, this is what we have. Let's see what we have. So here I have my powdered sugar and I have some lemon juice. Just gently mix it in here. You have to be quick because of the nature of the cornstarch. More sugar. So we're able to get that glaze.